How to increase platelet count naturally. You have a low platelet count and you are looking for a natural way to increase it? You will not believe how easy you can do this. Today, we will reveal some natural remedies and foods that will help rebuild blood and increase the platelet count. Platelet count under 150,000 per microliter is dangerous. Acute infection, viruses like chickenpox, rubella, mumps, or the Epstein-Barr virus, and autoimmune diseases like immune thrombocytopenia can cause the blood platelet count in your body drop. Also, it can drop as a result of certain medications like diuretics or over-the-counter medications like aspirin and ibuprofen. Typically, a healthy normal platelet is in the region of 150,000 to 450,000 platelets per microliter. Platelet count below 150,000 platelets per microliter is low. This is a serious problem that should be immediately treated because you may experience spontaneous bleeding which can be life-threatening. Papaya leaf juice, bitter but effective way to boost platelet count. For many years, papaya leaf juice has been used in folk medicine for treating low blood platelet count. To bring your platelet count up, you should consume 2 tablespoons of the papaya juice, 2 times a day. Even though this is not scientifically proven yet, papaya leaf extract offers promising results. It can significantly increase the red blood cell and the platelet count. Leafy greens, vitamin K for better clotting and higher platelet count. It is known that vitamin K is very helpful for people with low platelet disorder. Actually, a study that included people with platelet disorder showed that 27% of people who used vitamin K in their treatment experienced significant improvements compared to the other people in the group. Moreover, vitamin K helped reduce bleeding symptoms. Vitamin K-rich foods that you should incorporate in your diet include turnip greens or kale. Half a cup of these greens has 425 mc and 550 mcg of vitamin K. Half a cup of spinach has 444 mcg of this vitamin, while collard greens and beet greens have 530 and 350 mcg in the same serving size. You can add them to your smoothies, salads, or even soups. Vitamin C-rich foods, to counter free radical damage to platelets. People with low platelet count should pay special attention to their daily intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C-rich foods include citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, and tomatoes, bell peppers, and spinach. They are rich in antioxidants that can fight damage caused by free radicals. It has been shown that 35% of people with platelet disorders that used vitamin C experienced great results. A study that included a woman with chronic idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, a condition characterized by very low blood platelets in the body, showed that the 4-month use of vitamin C caused platelets to increase to 20 x 10^4 microliters. Vitamin B12 rich foods, to overcome thrombocytopenia from B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency has been related to a low platelet count. So, to treat this deficiency, you should include more B12 rich foods in your daily diet. Try including seafood like clams and liver. Other good sources of vitamin B12 include cheese, eggs, milk, fortified cereals, salmon, trout, and poultry. Amla or Indian gooseberry, Ayurvedic antioxidant remedy. The Indian gooseberry, or also known as amla, is a popular remedy that has been used in the Ayurvedic medicine. A potent antioxidant, it contains vitamin C that is extremely beneficial for the immune system. According to an animal study, rats that were administered the aqueous extract of Indian gooseberry for a week experienced an increase in their platelet counts. It is recommended to eat plain gooseberry, 3 to 4, in the morning, before your breakfast. Also, you can have 2 tablespoons of its juice combined with honey, 2 to 3 times a day. Sunshine, to boost vitamin D and platelet production. Vitamin D is essential to maintain the proper function of certain stem cells in the bone marrow that play a significant part in the platelet production. When exposed to sunlight, our body naturally produces this vitamin. Also, vitamin D-rich foods include fatty fish, egg yolks, cereals, juice, fortified milk, and liver. So, include these foods in your diet and spend time in the sun. Wheatgrass, chlorophyll to help cleanse and build blood. Wheatgrass is an excellent source of chlorophyll that closely resembles that of hemoglobin molecules. According to a study, wheatgrass can boost your platelet count and lead to increase in red and white blood cell counts and hemoglobin levels. To boost your immune system and improve your blood platelet count, just drink fresh wheatgrass juice every day. Mild exercise, to boost circulation and aid platelet production. The regular exercise will not only strengthen your body and burn calories, but will improve your blood circulation and immune system as well. In this way, it will increase the production of the platelet. If you have low platelet count, make sure to consult your doctor and do some gentle walking and stretching. Actually, if your platelet count is under 15,000, you should not exercise without the permission of your doctor because strenuous exercise can cause you to bleed and can be very harmful to your health. If you have platelet count over 20,000, you should try brisk walking and resistance band exercise. Alcohol ban, to stay hydrated and build blood. If you want to consume alcohol but you have a low platelet count, you should avoid its consumption for a while. Alcohol interferes with the production of platelet, so the excessive consumption of alcohol can increase your risk of low platelet count. The produced red blood cells can be defective, leading to their premature destroying.